Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into a new English word every episode to help expand your vocabulary. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're talking about a word that brings a bit of positivity and appreciation into our lives. Our word of the day is admire. Admire is a verb that means to look at someone or something with respect or pleasure. When you admire something, you're not just looking at it. You're recognizing something special about it. For example, you might admire a beautiful piece of art, a breathtaking view, or even a person's hard work or kindness. It's a word that allows us to express appreciation and sometimes even inspiration. Now, let's explore a few synonyms for admire. Words like appreciate, esteem, and respect carry similar meanings. For example, I really appreciate your hard work on this project, or they esteem her dedication to helping others. Each of these examples reflects that feeling of recognizing something valuable or positive. On the other hand, the opposite of admire would be words like dislike, disapprove, or criticize. Imagine a sentence like, I dislike the way they handled that situation, or she tends to criticize rather than admire his efforts, where the tone shifts from appreciation to judgment. So, how does admire fit into everyday conversation? You might hear someone say, I admire your courage to speak up, which is a way of saying they respect or look up to the other person's bravery. Or you might say, I admire the way that mountain looks at sunrise, describing the pleasure you get from a beautiful view. Let's go through a few more examples together. They admire their teacher for her patience, or I admire his dedication to his family. In each case, admire conveys that extra layer of appreciation or respect that adds warmth and sincerity to what's being said. To sum up, admire is all about looking at someone or something with respect or pleasure. Whether you're expressing admiration for a person, a view, or even an achievement, it's a wonderful way to add positivity to your conversations. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using admire and share it with us in the comments. I'd love to see how you put today's word into practice. Until next time, keep discovering new words and finding ways to admire the world around you.